If you've ever wanted to download videos from EverWebinar, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to easily grab those videos for your reference or reuse. Stick around until the end, because we'll also share an exclusive bonus that'll let you use the software for free. EverWebinar is an amazing platform for running automated webinars, but sometimes you need to save your videos. Maybe you want to rewatch them, repurpose content, or keep an archive for future use. Let's dive into how you can download your videos, step by step. First thing, start by logging into your EverWebinar account. You'll need to go to the Webinars section of the dashboard. Once there, select the webinar from which you want to download the video. Next thing, you'll need to locate the video you want to download. EverWebinar automatically records your webinars, so you should see a recorded session. Click on the Edit button next to the recording. This will bring you to a page with your recorded video. The third thing you want to do is to look for the Download button. Typically, this is located near the video or in the settings. If you don't see it right away, check the Settings section or contact EverWebinar support for guidance. They'll be able to point you in the right direction. Now, the fourth thing to mention is if you're using EverWebinar's integrations, your video may be automatically saved to a third-party platform like YouTube or Vimeo. If that's the case, you can download your video directly from there. Keep in mind that depending on your settings, you might need to make sure your video is marked as public or unlisted. Another important thing to know is that sometimes EverWebinar doesn't give a direct download option due to file format or settings, but there are third-party tools you can use, like screen recorders or video downloaders. These might not be the most seamless option, but they can be a backup if EverWebinar doesn't provide an easy download feature for you. Before we finish, a quick tip: always check that your download is complete and the video file is working properly. It's easy to miss a step in the process, and you don't want to lose valuable content. As we wrap up, remember that this process is pretty straightforward, and with a little patience, you'll be able to download your EverWebinar videos without hassle. Also, make sure to check out the first link in the description below to get access to this software for completely free, along with exclusive bonuses to help you make the most of your webinars. This free trial will help you test the waters without any commitments. To recap, the steps are simple: log in, locate your recording, click download, and if necessary, use a third-party tool. It's that easy to download videos from EverWebinar and keep your content in your hands. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to check the link for your exclusive offer and free trial. Thanks for watching.